Hello everyone, my name is Laxmi Khabale, third year diploma student of the Zeal Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. Today we are see about the mini project of the emerging trends. The name of mini project is the drones and unmanned aerial vehicles. The project is done by 5 members and the project is guided by the Professor A.R. Bagade. This is the vision mission of the institute, and the next slide contains the vision mission of the department. Content. There are the 4 container. First is introduction, second methodology, third conclusion, and fourth is reference. First we learn about the introduction. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, military aircraft that guide the autonomously and by remote control or both, and that carries the sensor, target, designator, offenses, ordnance, or the electronic transmitter designed to the interfere with all destructive enemy targets. Unencumbered by the crew and the life support system, the design, safety, and requirements of the manned aircraft UAVs can be remarkably efficient and offering the sustainable greater range and the endurance of the equivalent manned system. Next point is the methodology. In methodology, we learn about the unmanned aerial vehicles. The unmanned aerial vehicles command the aerial vehicles. UCAV is also known as the combat drone, is accurately shortened as a drone or the battlefield. UAV is unmanned aerial vehicle that is used for the intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, or the reconnaissance, and carries the aircraft ordnance such as the missiles, ATGMs, and other bombs in harder point of the drone sticks. These drones are usually under the real-time human control with varying the levels of the autonomy. Unlike the unmanned surveillance and the reconnaissance aerial services, UCV are used for the both drones and sticks and battlefield intelligence. The aircraft of this type have been onboarded human pilot as operator runs such as the remote terminal equipment necessary for the human pilot is not needed to resulting the lower weight and the smaller size of the manned aircraft. Many countries have the operational domestic UCAV and many more have the imported armed drones or have developed the program underway. This is the diagram of the drone. The use of unmanned aerial vehicles or the use of drones. The unmanned aerial vehicles are used for the observation and the tactical planning. This technology is now available for the use the emergency response fields to access the crew members. Next is unmanned aerial vehicles are classified based on altitude, range, endurance, and weight, and support a wide range of application including the military and the commercial application. Next is a working process of the unmanned aerial vehicles. Unmanned aerial vehicles, military aircraft that guide the automatically by remote control or both, and carries the sensor, target, designator, offense, and ordnance or electronic transmitter designed to the interfere with all destructive enemy targets. This is the diagram of unmanned aerial vehicles with their various component name. Conclusion. Through this mini project, we know about the unmanned aerial vehicles, use of drone, and how it is work. There are the numerous civilian, commercial, military, and the aerospace application for the UAV. References: we refer the Wikipedia to links and also the teacher guidance. Thank you.